Welcome to this High-Peak Conversions Tambour door installation guide, Part 2, Fitting behind a fascia panel. This kit includes our optional Tambour door brackets, which can be purchased from our website. Begin by drilling holes along the edge of the Tambour door brackets and screw them onto the back of the fascia panel. It's important to install the brackets completely parallel, otherwise the door may stick when opening or closing it. Attach the spirals using double-sided tape to the top of each bracket. Roll the door fully up into the spirals, and then stick the tracks below. Make sure they are pushed up flush to the entry of each spiral, as this will avoid the door snagging as you open and close it. Then, simply pull your door closed and it is installed. Make sure that the door is tight enough to support its own weight when you open it partway. If it drops back down like a guillotine, the tracks will need to be moved closer together by packing them to increase the friction. Thanks for watching, and please visit highpeakconversions.co.uk for the best prices and our complete range of quality conversion parts.